Welcome on this course page of this Vue.js course. It's so great to have you here. My name is Maximilian Schwarzmüller and I'm a freelance web developer and online instructor here on Udemy. I have multiple 5-star rated courses, but I'm especially proud about this course. This course is about Vue.js, one of the most popular front-end frameworks you can find as of today. Front-end frameworks in general are very popular because they allow us to create applications which bring this very reactive user experience from our mobile phones, from our apps, to the browser, no matter if you're then viewing it on a mobile phone or the desktop. Therefore, these frameworks are very important today, and Vue.js happens to be one of the most popular amongst them. It combines the best of the Angular 2 and React.js world if you know these frameworks. And overall, knowing a framework like Vue.js really gives you an edge on the job markets because people knowing frameworks like these are in very high demand as of now. In this course, we will start at the very basics. What is Vue.js? How does it work? And how is the base syntax working? And then we will move through all the concepts Vue.js offers you. We'll have a look at components, filters, directives, animations, and then we move up all the way to building enterprise-level applications with routing, a better state management, and in the end, of course, you also learn how to deploy your application. Throughout this course, I will have a lot of exercises which allow you to train the concepts you learned, and you will also have multiple projects which we're building together so that you see the things that you learn in this course in action right away. I'd be very happy if you would join me on this journey through the world of Vue.js and if I could welcome you on this course.